Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add top and double bottom border in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then show the uh, top bottom border, double bottom border in Microsoft Excel is the front. Now select from the any error now for data. Now going to the home menu option. Now click on the bottom menu option. Now click for the top and double bottom border. Now for click, that's it. Then we show the add top and double bottom border in the Microsoft Excel. Then check from the file menu option. Now click on the print option. That's it. Top and double bottom border in Microsoft Excel is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.